he got it.
Oh,
bruh.
Going to the cabin for 2 days. Boat in the cabin.
Some people think I'm acting words for words.
Alright, so we're putting Walter's boat onto the Jeep and we're gonna go to a river up a giant lake that's nearby. A flowage. Is there a difference? Is it a lake?
It's a flowage.
It's a flowage. 5 horses in this thing.
And mercury. Guys, can you imagine?
It's mercury powered?
Yeah.
I don't know if I like the idea of this.
Oh, I got it. Whenever you tow, you have to press OD off. That's the...
We're towing a boat in the Jeep.
Think I'm acting words for words. Suffice to say, this is a point of fair. But no one really knows me like Monty. I'm watching that, and I'm sure you'll agree.
Who likes this stuff? That's what happens now. I'm trying to do more of this. Fight the rap shit!
Nobody knows what I see. Everyone thinks I'm crazy, crazy.
If the fish is anything like me, then he's probably, if he sees food in front of him, he's just gonna grab it because he's just in the mood for a snack.
Is it dead already?
And I'm assuming the fish. I'm trying to think like the fish. So hopefully the fish think like me.
I don't think you're gonna catch anything, buddy.
I don't know.
Cast shorted closer to land.
Yeah, it's like 9 feet deep there, and your thing's 2 feet deep.
3.
Yeah, it's less than 3, man. Do you know how big a yard is?
Okay, it's bobbing up and down. Something's
John, where are
happening.
you going?
Fisherman on the planet.
That's so. I'm glad. Hey, we didn't get skunked. John, do you want to catch a bluegill?
There's a deeper circle for you in fish hell. What's that song? This is a little song I wrote. You might want to take it.
But no.
You're real stupid. Hey, idiot.
Hey, quiet.
You went right over it, you freaking
He'll
idiot.
get it. He'll get it.
It's taking a lot of freaking tries. Might be right here.
Look. Oh, so close.
Go ahead, go ahead. It's okay, go ahead.
Oh, he got it.
Oh,
Bruh.
oh,
Oh,
that was
God bless.
it. God bless it.
Hey.
Welcome.
I caught that on video.
Oh, I can film and eat it.
Oh my gosh.
God bless.
God bless America, baby.
God bless America.
God bless America.
Man, he caught that fish pretty easily, and you'll be like, yeah, I don't know, it's like it's dead or something.
I don't know how he caught that, man. It's not like chucking a dead fish in the water. Just happened to be right next to it. Anyways, just caught a freaking bald eagle catching a fish on camera.
I caught a bald eagle with my fishing pole.
So a little plot development. A fish ripped the pole right out of the boat.
Which in turn knocked over Walter's beer onto my pants.
And then, which in turn knocked it onto my phone, which is now soaked and smelling like beer.
Film me.
Where's he going? No, please don't leave.
He's like, yeah, this is good. Stop it.
Please come back. There was a bald eagle and tilted up a little. And I got a lot of photos on this camera and video, but I wanted to get one on film. Cried.
I need a cigar to console myself.
I need weed.
So you are sleepy.
Lit, man. Oh yeah. I lost a pole on accident. Caught something. I set it down, and then I turned around to grab my camera.
A Loch Ness monster.
turned around to grab my camera, turned back around, it's in the water. I think it's somewhere right here.
Woke up this morning, August 3rd. It's been a pretty slow and uneventful summer. Went to visit a friend in Santa Fe. Went to New Orleans and went to see my family. Woke up this morning.
All right.
Just finished.
F-stop's 9. ISO's 200. We're lit.
Just finished my first roll of Fuji Color Superior Extra 400.
Yeah, that's what my mom used to take pictures of me when I was like 3.
Jen, you suck.
I know I do.
What? So what was going on?
Try to help us understand, John, what's going on in your
I was
brain.
just gonna let it hit the bottom.
The fish aren't
Okay, well, he caught a perch. Oh, John going in it. Good John going in it.
Alright.
Yeah, buzz down. Start the renegade. Do renegade.
Here, Jen.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh. He's not having it.
8, 7, 6.
This man's got talent.
This man's got it down to a science.
Yeah.
I have to pee so bad, dude.
Back the boat up.
Oh, back it up?
Yeah.
Alright. You asked for it.
Stop.
I got a whole nother level.
A whole new level. Another is not a word.
You know what else isn't a word?
You.
I am
Me.
strong.
I don't know.
Without that camera, I promise
My
I'd push you
trailer's
into the
crooked
water.
that way.
I don't like you.
I don't.
No, I do like you. I don't appreciate that.
You don't respect them? Stop zooming in.
Why? It's fun.
Respect yourself. Yeah. Let's pee into each other's streams. Ew.
Bruh.
I can do that in my sleep. Put the boat on, drove away, drove back to the bin. Alright, we're shooting sunset right now. We're on the top of this one hill. Shooting sunset, we got the Jeep and my brother on top of the Jeep. Is there any taller hills around here?
This is difficult.
This is terrain!
Thorn bushes. Cause I got crossing on, and this is hard. Finally here.
Boozy. Nasty.
I gotta get through all these things. Darn, my feet hurt.
Why?
They have got thorns in them, and I don't know where to set the camera. Estás buenos.
Give it all I can for you. Write it in the sand for you. Everything I do is for you, Oh. Give it all I can for you. Write it in the sand for you. Everything I do is for you,
We slip it in there. Now here's the cool part of the
That's
bag.
kind of satisfying.
Film camera spot, we got the A7 spot, lens, drone, controller, GoPro stuff, batteries, we got film, a lot of film right here, and then that's it.
That is so satisfying.
This sucks!
Yeah.
Woo!
So you know, I drive a Jeep. Jeeps are known to be the most versatile vehicle ever on the market. You're putting a little bit too much faith in this thing, man. Let me out! It's not even, the tires aren't even moving.
This happened to us earlier in the year.
Go! Especially the Jeep Liberty, which I have now. 4-wheel drive. Count that. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ah! Oh gosh! It is not wise. It is not wise to run with a camera in your hand, especially on gravel like this. Oh my gosh! You just had to.
There's ticks.
Where?
Look at your legs.
Look up my butt crack.
Turn around. Check yourself for ticks.
So, do you have enough memory for this?
Yeah.
For all this? Good.
It's 64 gigs.
Oh, good.
All right, guys, we're going off-roading now.
Here we are.
Hello, mate.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh. This is what Jeeps are made for,
You
man.
guys have no idea.
This is the Jeep mentality. If you're not doing this with a Jeep, what you doing?
Because you have to like go backwards out of one place.
Yeah, no thank you.
I don't remember what we do though.
Okay, that's not assuring.
Did you do this in the Lexus?
No, this thing's running on its last leg, so be a little bit careful with it. I know Jeeps are the all-American off-road vehicle, but at the same time, this thing is kind of a hunk of junk. What the heck was that? Where are you going?
I don't know. Let's go that way.
No!
Well, it's kind of too late.
You're putting a little bit too much faith in this thing, man.
Oh, 4-wheel. Back into 4-wheel drive.
Wow, the difference that makes.
Oh, back into 4-wheel.
This is bad.
Let me out!
Me fifth-wheel drive.
It's not even, the tires aren't even moving. Ah!
I don't,
Don't worry,
down the mountain.
this happened to us earlier in the year.
Go!
Here we go.
Kind
locking
of stuck
it.
here.
Oh yeah, nothing. No problem.
Whoa!
I forgot we got to put it in 4 low to do this stuff.
I don't like this.
You're so concerned.
I don't like this one bit. I'd much rather not get stuck back here.
Oh, we won't get stuck.
You say that now.
It's what you used to be doing.
I know, but at the same time, Jeeps do not be doing this, especially with their 2005 Liberties. Oh, don't hold your dummy held the camera out the window. Who cut that? Ah! Ethan, change seats with John. John's the documentary filmer.
Here we go.
Who farted?
Also,
Not me.
We're good. It's a tip.
Oh gosh!
Now I'm gonna shoot another one at 400, because that one definitely gets fine. Are you peeing?
Gotta take an Uzi.
What is an Uzi? Don't get that on your hands.
Ooh, don't hit that thing. That would go in the grill.
Yeah. Why?
Because that's how it goes.
No, it's not.
That's how the 4 high goes.
Used to ache sometimes and swell.
Who is mowing this thing? Maybe all my shins.
Probably the thorns.
Oh yeah.
You're stick.
Where is it not wet?
Hey, stay still. I'm taking a photo.
This we're on this floating bog.
You can go all the way up to the pine cones.
Okay, yeah. My feet are soaked, so screw it.
Zen place.
This is my new taking. Y'all just fell in, that'd be.
That one is like the retarded.
Oh.
Like it?
I like it.
I have mixed feelings. The moon is absolutely insane right now. It's freezing cold out.
Oh, I almost tripped.
Side of the mountain and dig a whole channel all the way.
1,000 bytes. Then a gigabyte is like 1,000.
Like a cue ball.
Nice.
That was shattered.
They're right in front of the rock. It's so smooth.
It bounced. I just.
Did green light turn on?
Yep.
Okay, good.
Oh,
We moved locations. Now I gotta think of an artsy way to take photos of these boats. Holy crap, that was weird. That,
I thought you were gonna say canoes. Boats and canoes are the same thing, just different.
get out of it. Come out, get out of it.
All right.
I am the star of this show. It's not a show. Yeah, it is.
I wouldn't have even said that in the first place.
I'm sure you would have.
Yeah, maybe I would have.
Give up. Roll down.
I never give up.
No trespassing. Private land violators will be prosecuted. Excel Energy owner.
Ethan.
What?
Like, the absence of heat is cold, so cold exists. Don't be giving me that
It's
BS.
just the absence of heat. Oh yeah, and what's that called? It's called cold.
Yeah, so cold does exist, dummy. Except I know I'm pretty smart about something. I just can't do math. We're leaving the old bin. The old CABI. I don't know what why am I spelling it? I don't know. Good bro time with the bro. With the dudes. Some man-on-man action. Okay. Should have thought that sentence out a little more. Yeah, so now we're leaving home. I might stop to take a couple pics somewhere, but man, I think you're doing too much. I ain't doing enough.